Doing it yourself versus professionals. There are a lot of great DIY projects that can be done, but roofing is huge. Unless you are a professional roofer, here are some things to consider before making a choice on who installs your roof. Knowledge and experience. Human beings can learn to do just about anything, and with today's technology, people can learn quickly just about whatever they want. However, professionals were trained with years of experience. They may be also educated about materials functionality and their warranties. Aesthetics still matter. Professionals, when working on your roof, they will always consider both the roof's function and beauty. Most DIYers will regret the color or style after they realize it doesn't quite match the rest of their house. Liability and insurance. Home insurance will not cover any damage you do to your roof by walking on it, or even repairs without proper knowledge and skills. Professionals are very good about not making mistakes, but if there is a mistake, then roofers have insurance to cover any damage they may have caused. Insurance claims and repairs. If damages occur to your roof and your insurance company has already agreed to cover the cost of the repairs, it's usually the best idea just to find a contractor. Some states and provinces may make it illegal to do repairs with insurers' money. Professional roofers may be able to get you covered by two types of limited warranties. One from the roofer of labor and the other from the shingle manufacturer. Manufacturers require that their products be installed correctly, in accordance with their application instructions and applicable building code requirements in order to be eligible for limited warranty coverage. Cost and tools. When comparing costs between yourself and a professional, you will find that DIY is actually unlikely to save you anything. Professional roofers always will have tools that are typically expensive to buy or rent. Ladders, nail guns, and safety equipment, these are very important items. Be sure to think about your home's resale value and how mistakes may affect the home's value. Time. The most important thing to consider is how long the project will take. Having a roof exposed while repairs or re-roofing occurs can only lead to problems if it's left exposed for too long due to weather. Roofers are trained, and most of the time the project is completed in a day, depending on the roof size. DIY has a tendency to go longer than expected. Safety hazards. Some alarming stats by the Bureau of Labor Statistics: 23,816 roofers suffered non-fatal injuries despite mandated safety training and equipment in 2017. Don't underestimate the fall from a ladder or a roof. Make sure you understand how your ladder works and the height safety. Many of the tools can be dangerous if handled incorrectly. Overall, DIY is a possible thing to do with a lot of planning and procedure. However, the better choice would be to call a contractor and have the professionals handle it. And if you need any professionals, then you should definitely give us a call. Call us for a free estimate today, 970-663-3305.